everyone. Today's video, you're gonna need a cup and a ball. Pretty much be any ball here. It doesn't have to be a hacky sack or a juggling ball, tennis ball work, golf ball, whatever. This one's called catch and toss. Catch and toss. We're gonna start sitting on the line. Now you can choose your sitting position. If you want to be here, this is the easiest. If you want to upgrade, both feet on the line, or if you want to upgrade from there, we go to crisscross applesauce. All right, you choose, but I'm gonna demo the easy one. We're gonna start holding the cup in one hand, ball in the other, toss it up, catch. From here, you're gonna throw the ball out of the cup and catch it. You can do that 3 times on each side. Boom, 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 boom. Switch hands with the ball and cup and do it on the other side. So I'm focusing on the cup as I toss it, focusing on my hand as I catch it. That's gonna make sure you have the most success in this exercise. Okay, 3 times on each side, you get the idea. Now we're gonna move on to standing. Standing up close to the anchor point, do the same thing. A little more movement here. And again, if you want to challenge, bring both feet on the line and try this. Otherwise, keep one foot free and flowing so that you can maintain success here. All right, breathing, finding a focus point for the moment to get balance. And same thing, I'm gonna throw the ball up and focus on the cup as I catch the ball. Tossing the ball out of the cup, focusing on the hand as I catch. 3 times on each side, without falling off the line is the goal. Switch. Also, maybe switch legs, just so you can even it out, both sides. 1, 2. So you can see it doesn't have to be a very big toss. You just got to be able to get it out of the cup and catch it. Or you can go big. That's 3 on each side. Next, the challenge is going to be moving across the line while you do this. So that was progression 1, sitting. Progression 2, just standing. Progression 3 is going to be walking. Toss it up, catch it, take a step. Toss it up, catch it, take a step. Toss it up, catch it, take a step, all the way across the slack line. Notice I'm holding the cup with one hand as I go across. Once you make it across, you're going to turn around, switch hands with the cup, and do the other side. Notice my focus on the hand when I catch, focus on the cup when I catch it there. Once you've reached the end or close to, turn around, switch hands, and make your way back across the line. That's what's called toss and catch, or catch and toss. Take a step. Take a step. All right, have fun with that one, y'all. Peace. Send us your videos. If you have any questions, hit us up at slackrobats@gmail.com.